Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Miriam Maulana. If you're new to the channel, welcome to our little world on the internet. And if you're an oldie but a goodie, you know I love you. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for joining us. In today's video, I am going to be showing you guys my first impressions of henna. Okay, like I bought this henna and other Ayurvedic herbs about a month ago today. Exactly a month ago today, and I have been contemplating and researching and trying to figure out how best I can bring you guys Ayurvedic recipes as well as henna recipes and how-tos, because every single time that I go on the internet I can't really find someone who has the same hair type as me, and I actually haven't found anyone who's written about henna in Africa or who has a video on it. So I really wanted to see it done on black hair, and at the same time I was worried I was gonna be one of those women that are out here putting out videos on how YouTube broke their hair. So it took me a whole month to finally come to you guys with this video. So I feel like I need to really introduce the henna series to you guys, and the first thing that you guys are going to need to know is, number one, today's video is just a first impressions video. So I am going to basically tell you guys how I mixed my henna, how long I had it for, how long I put it outside for, because I have never done this before. That's number one. So I don't really have much to tell you. I can't even tell you, well, I can tell you how it's making my hair feel, but I can't give you results on whether it strengthens your hair yet, because like I said, I am just going on this journey. So today's the first impressions. I'm going to tell you, and I'm going to debunk certain myths from what I was reading from the internet, because you know sometimes you read things and they're like, oh my god, it's going to make your hair look straw-like, oh my god, it's going to make your hair look red. So I'm going to debunk some of those myths whilst also just giving you guys a short a short first impressions update, let's call it that. And then what I am going to be doing in the henna series, as I will definitely be coming to you guys as every single time that I try it on my hair, I will bring you guys a video just so that we can go on a journey together and we can see results. So today this video is going to mark as the first time that I use henna, and then next week when I do bring you guys a different recipe, which will possibly be a henna gloss, I will then be showing you and giving you guys updates on which one works better, what I like better, what works better for my hair, the different recipes that you can use. So yes, I hope that you guys enjoy the henna series. I know some of you have left amazing comments on my video, on my vlog, telling me about how you've been waiting for a video like this. So I'm pretty excited about that. At least I know I am bringing you guys content that you are yearning for, you know. So yes, I'm so excited to be bringing you guys this video. I hope that you guys find it useful. So I'm going to be telling you guys the benefits of henna in this video. I will tell you guys my first impressions of henna itself. Did I find it messy? Did it work on my hair? And then I will give you guys a close-up of how I applied the henna, and then next week I will come back to you guys with a different recipe and a gloss, and also I will then introduce Ayurvedic treatments for hair. So Ayurvedic treatments are basically like wholesome Indian recipes that they've been using, ancient Indian, and they still do it, and it's how they take care of themselves. It's body, mind, soul type of taking care of your body and your hair. But I am going to be kind of digging into and researching as much as I can on their hair care regimens, and also how they use their herbs, natural herbs, powders and oils to treat and care for their hair. So I wanted to see how it works on 4C hair and African hair, and kind of take you guys on that journey of experimenting and figuring out what else we can do for our hair to kind of help it help it flourish, you know. Like I feel like there isn't enough information on the internet for my African sisters out there. So yes guys, I hope that you guys do enjoy the video, and should you have any questions, please leave them down below so that when I bring you guys the next video on henna, I can answer those questions. So please guys, go crazy, ask as many questions as you possibly want to, no matter how silly feels, sounds in your head, you just put it down so that when I create this content, I create it targeted at you guys, and I want to make sure that it's answering the questions that you have, that you've had. So go crazy in the comment section, leave all the comments that you want to. I can't wait for us to go on this journey.
And henna is a great scalp conditioner. It fights conditions such as dandruff. Henna also balances oil production on your scalp and balances your pH levels of your hair. Henna boosts growth and stops hair fall. It also repairs and strengthens natural hair. It's very important to know though that when you're purchasing your henna, please make sure that it is 100% natural, as some henna powders contain harsh chemicals. If you've ever seen those black hennas, they're not actually natural hennas, and the natural henna powder itself is a greenish color, as you can see in the video that I am showing you now. So make sure that your henna is 100% natural, because should it not be 100% natural, it could cause serious allergic reactions. And also guys, please make sure that every single time that you use a new product, that you do a patch test on your inner arm, just under your armpit or at the back of your ear. Give it about 24 to 48 hours if you are one of those people that are seriously allergic to products that you use. And as for the amla powder, amla helps with hair loss. It strengthens your hair follicle. It is packed full of vitamin C, and it also helps with dryness, itchiness, and flaking. So that is why I use these two products for my mix. And as for my mix, I use a half cup of I use 3/4 cups of henna, and as you can see, I started off by using a half cup, and then I figured that that might be too little. I've never done this before, so I just wanted to make sure. So I went and I gave you guys another 1/4 cup of henna. So all in all, I ended up using 3/4 cups of henna, and then I followed that by putting in 3 tablespoons of amla powder. So if you see on the internet, they have a lot of recipes where they use either lemon juice, apple cider vinegar, something that is acidic, that helps that helps the henna produce its color. So that helps with the color production of henna in your 12 hours that you leave it under room temperature. However, if you mix your henna with amla, you don't have to worry about using either lemon juice, ACV, or other fruit juices. Depending on what you're using the henna for, I'm not using the henna for strength. I'm not using the henna for color. I am using the henna for strength. So as a result, the color production of the henna itself isn't important, but what I read from the internet and from my research is that you really want the color to kind of come out. It kind of gives the henna more strength, which is why I left the henna out for 4 hours before applying it. When applying your henna, make sure to apply your henna to clean hair, because I had just taken out braids. You can see that in the vlog. I started off by co-washing my hair and making sure that it was clean, and then I applied my henna on my clean and freshly washed, co-washed hair. All you need to do is you need to section your hair and apply your henna from the roots to the end, focusing on your roots and also massaging it into your scalp. That's the amazing thing about using these natural products, is you can really go out there and treat your scalp and make sure that your scalp gets all the health that it needs. I do not believe the henna really... So a lot of people, and on the internet you'll find that people talk about how henna can dye your hair, change it from black to red. I think it really depends on how rich your natural hair color is. As you can see, guys, I don't really think henna deposited into my hair. I can't see it sometimes when I'm in the light, but I also think it's because I'm looking for it. But at the end of the day, I really don't mind. If I do another henna treatment and my hair kind of goes a little bit red, I really don't mind, because I don't think it's going to go red because my hair is black, so it's going to go like that brown color, and I don't mind that. I mean, I really don't. And at the other thing is also the henna color washes out. So in about 2 weeks or 3 weeks of washing your hair, the color will be gone and you'll have your natural hair color back. I kept the henna in my hair for about 5 hours, and then when it came to washing it out, I rinsed it using a conditioner, and the conditioner that I used is the Tresemme Naturals conditioner. So make sure that you use a really cheap or affordable conditioner that really works, because you need the slip of the conditioner to kind of help loosen your henna from your hair and make it easier to wash out. Be gentle on your hair. You don't also want to be rubbing too much to get the henna out. The more conditioner you use on your hair, the easier it is to wash out. And then I a lot of people say that henna is messy. It is messy, but I think it depends on the concoction that you make. My concoction was very thick, and I made it more of a cake batter because I didn't want it to drip all over the place. And then when it came to washing it out, it is messy because you're going to put a lot of conditioner, and now imagine all that conditioner with brown stuff in your shower. But it's just honestly, just take a bucket and it goes away. Like, it's not that bad. Or maybe like I'm just a messy person or maybe it's because I expected it, but I didn't think it was that bad. And guys, that's it for now.
Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you guys did enjoy this video, and should you have questions, don't forget to leave them down in the comment section below. Feel free to ask me questions anywhere, on Instagram, on Twitter, Facebook, anywhere at all. I'm there for you. I will answer them. And also please follow me on Instagram, because as I am doing these recipes, I will be showing you guys on my Insta stories kind of the home mess when I can't vlog, and also when I can't film it in this way. So updates all over social media. So please don't forget to follow me on Instagram. It is New Kid on the Block blog. I'll just put it right here because it's kind of long. But if you just search for Miriam Maulana on Instagram, you will definitely find me. So let's go on this whole journey together, and also you get to see my life in real time. So there's that. Thank you so much guys for watching. Thank you for following. Thank you for your support. I love you guys so much. Forgive the nasally voice. I'm not feeling well. Don't forget to join the family. I love you guys so much. Bye. Now, don't forget to subscribe. I think. Is it here? 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 I know you oldies and goodies. The oldies, please tell the newbies where they can find the subscribe button. It's somewhere here. And also just watch. Bye.